had the most referrals of someone who wasn't a patient until she finally came in. She sent me 24 people
Oh, she's funny.
before she finally came in.
I like Judy.
She still skis.
Yes. She loves cold weather. I guess growing up in Canada. She's never gotten her husband to come though, right, Reinhardt?
No.
He's a character. Big guy.
I went to Bruce's funeral. He was a patient here.
Oh, Bruce.
What a guy.
Yeah.
With the Swedish doormats at the floor mats, I mean.
Yeah.
That was something.
I liked him.
Okay. So it's your left sacroiliac joint.
Mm-hmm.
You feel stress there?
Oh, yeah.
All right, I need to go a little lower. How about here?
Yeah.
All right, all the way down here. There?
Yep, not as much.
Not as
Yeah.
much. Okay, that makes sense. I'm gonna have you scoot back and lean back. Right, where'd it go?
Oh, I forgot to take off my glasses. Sorry. And my earrings.
I can work right around them. So I'm gonna very gently adjust right here. Okay. You okay? All right, so what we're gonna do is adjust C1. I'm gonna tilt your head away and then over. Gently give a push right here. Okay. You're stuck. Okay, come on over here. Have a seat here. And, oh, perfect. So we're gonna go lie on your side. Perfect. Bottom leg as straight as you can. We'll bend this knee. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll straighten this one as best you can.
It hurts. That's okay.
Where does it hurt?
Right here.
Okay. So that's, let me scoot you closer. So your job is bottom leg as straight as you can, and I'm not gonna put any more strain on the hip. We're gonna go to this, that's it, right there. Yeah. Am I hurting you now?
No.
Can I take your glasses?
Thanks. Sorry about that.
No problem. So we're gonna go right to this spot right here.
Oh.
There it goes. We did it. We got it. All right. All right. So I want you to push down with your elbow as you swing your legs down. And so once you go ahead and stand up, let's see how you do. Feel a little different?
Yeah. That's good.
Good, good. All right. So we didn't move up here, and I'm not going to force that because the main thing you were here is for the left hip. So your left hip moved very well, and it's very important to have you walk after your adjustment. Okay? So that's the next step. We're going to have you walk. Can I check you tomorrow?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we'll check you tomorrow. We'll get that hip moving. It's going to make a big difference. What do you think?
Great.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.